A sweep profile must be created as a sketch. A path, however, can be one of several items. In this lesson, we'll take a look at the various items that can be used as sweep paths. The simplest type of path is a 2D sketch. The sketch can be an open profile, as you see here, or a closed profile like a circle. It can be useful in some cases to have a path that is not attached to the profile. Here, for example, a sweep can be created despite the distance between the profile and path. In addition to using sketches as paths, you can also use existing model edges. Here, for instance, the circle is swept along the edge of the block. If you have multiple contours in your profile sketch, they will each be swept along the path. Here, for example, each of the circles will be swept along the edge of the block. When you create a sweep, you will notice that the path selection box in the Property Manager is limited to a single item. If you wish to sweep a profile along several edges, you can do so by using Smart Selection. Here I wish to keep the rectangular sketch around every edge of the solid body. I'll launch the Sweep command and select the rectangle as the sweep profile. Instead of selecting the edge as the path, I'll right-click on the edge and choose Selection Manager. With the Selection Manager active, I'll use the Select Group option and begin clicking on the edge segments I would like to include in the sweep. When I'm done selecting edge segments, I'll click OK, and the items I choose will become this sweep path. In addition to using sketches and model edges as sweep paths, you can also use curves, such as projected curves, curves through free points, and curves through reference points as you see here. The circular sketch here will be used as the sweep profile, while the curve will be used as the path. By knowing the various types of entities that can be used as sweep paths, you can save time by avoiding the creation of sketches if they aren't necessary. You will also be able to apply sweeps in more scenarios, such as the modeling of tubing and wiring.